Hey guys, I am Harry back with another YouTube video after a gap of 50 days. This was because of offline classes and session ending examinations. Offline classes were started very late from September and exams were held in March as usual. So I paid attention to my studies and was away from channel videos. Now I am free and I have brought in front of you a new concept of learning through Wikipedia. As we all know, Wikipedia is one of the most common online encyclopedia read by crores of people daily all over the world. Even a common teenager or youngster can give a contribution to the articles posted in Wikipedia. This can be done in two ways: adding images to article and adding information to article. So now I will be showing a Wikipedia article. So here you can see it is based on tropical cyclones in India. So I told first we can give a contribution to Wikipedia in two ways. One first is adding images and adding information. To do editing, there are three ways. If you want to do any editing, you should click this pen icon. You can see three things. First one, edit without login, sign up. First is edit without login. In this option, one can give your contribution to Wikipedia without any official ID. After your contribution gets completed, an ID will be visible, which is in numericals. Okay. And another one is login. Here, if you have your own account, simply type your user ID or password to get into your account and give contributions here. So you can, if you have any account, Wikipedian account, you can use login. If you want to create any new account, you can click the option signups. So if you click, you can create your own user ID or password to make a new account to give contribution. So already I have ID, so I'll just simply click login. So you can see my username, that is Harry Super Typhoon. So I'll be entering the password now. Login. So now we have entered into the ID and now we have opened. So first let me show you how to add image. So here in 1979, this is one page in which there is no image. So I will be adding first. I will open the ID. Okay, so now I want to add this image which is shown here to the main account. So again, if you want to add, first click the pen. The page will be open like this. So first we should just take the ID. So here ID is given, image equal to 1B 1979 file 11 900Z PNG. So we can copy this ID. Copy. So here it is saved in clipboard of our keypad. Then close it. Now we can go back to the old one. Again we should click the pen which is in this number 1979. If I click again, so one more thing I would like to share is that we can copy the ID of the photo from any other Wikipedia accounts of other than your own for mobile etc. So this ID is important. So before if you want to add, there should be important for coding them. మొదట్లో దీనికి కోడింగ్ ఇవ్వాలి. కోడింగ్ లేదంటే ఇక్కడ అన్ని తప్పుగా వస్తుంది. సో కోడింగ్ దానికి కొన్ని ఇవి కావాలి. So there may be some, first we need to add brackets. Brackets is important. So one side double brackets and another this one. Same. So in between, one more code I would like to say, this one. Okay, and another dash, total 4 times. So here one more word important for coding is file. File you should add file. Then we should go for clipboard, and the ID which we have taken, so we can insert here. Then we should remove this image. So if we have added image, the coding will be wrong. So you should remove that image. The next one is how many megapixels this image should be there. So mostly you can do more than 100 is easy. 150. So I will be typing 150 pixels. Then one should add one more left. Important left. Next one thumb. Next one caption. So caption means what here given that cyclone was 1B. So you can type like this: extremely severe cyclonic storm 1B. So with this the coding is completed. One more. So if you want to see, check the preview, you should click this blue icon which is this side. So you can see the image has been shown. So for sometimes we need to add this title, how did you improve the page. So you can just type fix the typo or add a content etc. So I am not typing anything here, so just let it be. So yeah, so with this image has been come. So first preview, you can have, if you have checked the preview, it is better. So now preview has been completed. So then just simply click publish. Then finish, you have published, you have gave a contribution of adding an image to your Wikipedia article. So next I'll be showing one more page also how to do so. So next time I have shown 1971 Odisha cyclone. So here this one image is here. So we should add that image there. So again do the same procedure. Sometimes network will also will play some problems. So check ensure proper network connection while doing this. And without an internet connection, there won't be any edits. So again say do the same thing. Just copy that, copy the ID and simply copy it. So it will be in your clipboard. And move back. So friends, I am actually using connection. So problem. Please don't think wrong. So here one thing is given 1971 cyclone season, North Indian Ocean cyclone season. So no information is given. In next part of video, I'll be showing how to add information to the article. So just I will be giving one definition. So before that, I should want to insert image. So same what I have did in last thing, same brackets and then dash for 4 times. Again same file image Bay of Bengal TC October 29 1971 8 to UTC ESSA 9 GIF. So remove the image because if it will be incomplete otherwise. Again, how many pixels? 150 pixels, 150 px. Thumb, sorry, left thumb, and then caption. 1971 Odisha cyclone. And click the icon here, so you can see one preview. After the preview, everything has been checked. Simply click publish. So anyway, we have added the image and we have saw the tutorial how to add image to an article. So with this, the part 1 of learning with me through Wikipedia is completed. In next video, I'll be sharing about adding information to Wikipedia articles. Till then, stay tuned and your friend Harry signing off. Goodbye.